Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Oxygen OS AI features easily. We will begin by exploring how artificial intelligence integrates into your daily smartphone use, making your device smarter and more responsive. You will learn to leverage these intelligent capabilities to streamline tasks, enhance productivity, and enjoy a truly personalized mobile experience. We will cover several key areas where AI significantly improves functionality, ensuring you get the most out of your device with minimal effort. Oxygen OS employs smart suggestions to anticipate your needs, making your phone feel incredibly intuitive. For instance, it learns your most used applications and suggests them at relevant times, saving you precious seconds. The system can also automate routine tasks, like adjusting your screen brightness based on ambient light or suggesting a specific alarm for your morning commute. This intelligent automation helps you manage your day more efficiently, providing information and actions exactly when you need them, often before you even think to ask. Artificial intelligence dramatically enhances your photography and media experience on Oxygen OS. The camera's AI can recognize over 20 different scenes, from landscapes to portraits, automatically optimizing settings for stunning results. This means brighter, clearer photos with vibrant colors, even in challenging conditions. Furthermore, AI contributes to smoother video recording and improved audio clarity. Your gallery also becomes smarter, using AI to categorize images by faces, locations, or events, making it effortless to find that perfect memory in just a few taps. Finally, Oxygen OS AI features deliver a truly personalized and efficient experience. The system intelligently manages battery consumption, learning your usage patterns to extend your device's life by up to 20% daily. It also prioritizes resources for your most frequently used applications, ensuring they launch quickly and run smoothly. This adaptive learning creates a smartphone that feels uniquely yours, constantly optimizing performance and tailoring itself to your habits, ultimately providing a seamless and highly responsive user experience every single day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.